Though it is quite difficult to be consistently profitable in the forex market or in the binary options market, it will interest you to know that it is very possible to be a profitable trader. All you need is just a strategy, a trading system, and the right trading psychology. So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys one strategy that I have used to scalp the forex market for a long time now. And this strategy has flipped my account from a $1,000 account to over 20,000 US dollars. And this is pretty much how I trade, even in the binary options market and in the forex market. So I have not documented any of my forex trading on this YouTube channel, but I think this should be the first video I'm making actually talking about forex. So if you are interested, or if you are a forex trader, then you should watch this video to the end, and do it to also subscribe, because I'll be posting more of this type of forex trading content in the future. So for those of you who have seen me trade binary options live on this channel, you will not find anything new with this video, because this is the same way I trade the binary options market. The only difference is that the forex trading takes time for the trades to calm down, unlike the binary options trading, which takes just 5 minutes for the trade to run out. So I'm pretty excited to share this strategy. So do it to watch the entire video. If you find any value in this video, don't forget to hit that like button, just so this video can reach out to more people who are interested in trading the forex market, who may be interested in using these strategies as well. If you're here for the first time, you want to consider subscribing to the channel, because I'll be dropping more of this type of forex trading videos in the future, so you can learn this powerful breakout strategy. I am pretty much a scalper. That's what I do when I trade the binary options or the binary options market. And even in the forex market, I use pretty much the same strategy to trade the forex market. And all I do all day is just scalping, and just riding the trend. So the strategy is pretty simple. You need the right trading psychology. That's how to be able to scale through in trading. No matter the type of strategy you have, the strategy may have a high win rate, but if your psychology is wrong, then you will be a successful trader. It's just as sad as that. So you need to develop the right trading psychology and the right trading system, which means you need to have the right trading system, or which are the right rules and the right disciplines to be able to scale through, because you need to survive in this trading game. You are not going to be reckless, so you need all these things to keep you in check. So these are the things that makes that differentiate between the successful traders and the traders that are not successful. The unsuccessful traders may take trades and win a couple of trades, and they end up losing the whole thing in just a single trade. So that is how to differentiate a successful trader from an unsuccessful trader. Unsuccessful traders do win trade, right? They do win trade, but they cannot keep their winnings. They cannot stay on the track because of emotions and greed. So, keep all these things in check, and you are going to continue to see positive results. So this strategy I'm going to show you guys has really made me a lot of money. And if you have been following this channel and you haven't seen me trade the binary options market, this is nothing new. It is just simply the same way I trade the binary options market. So the first thing I'm going to do each time I find the setup is to draw my trend lines. My trend lines are my best friends. These are the tools that I use. I do not use indicators or any of this crap. So I use trend lines. They are very, very powerful. You just need to be able to draw a simple trend line and wait for a breakout. That is just how I trade. So with this very trade, I was able to gain. It was a 1 to 2 trade. I risked. I was able to win double of my investment on this trade. So you can see that the stop loss is pretty tight. I used this previous obvious higher low swing as the stop, and you can see that it was a very, very awesome win. So why did I place this trade? What was the reason why I took this trade? I've always told you that when you want to trade and when you come into the chart, the next thing you want to look at is to trend. What is actually happening on the trend? So if you look clearly, you will see that this is a very smooth uptrend. At that time, it was a very, very smooth uptrend situation. You can see that without any doubt. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to wait out for the price to hit key levels to be able to try to identify a trading opportunity. You won't be jumping into trade because the price is in an uptrend and you just want to enter into a trade. No, you want to wait for the price to hit a key level, which means you need to have to wait for a retracement. You want the price to come down to create to come down to retrace, to rest for some time, and then you are going to capitalize on the next move of the price. Now, having identified that this is an uptrend, the next thing is we want to wait for the retracement phase. We want to wait for the price to cool off for some time, right? So these are the times we want to jump into the trade. Now you can see that the price has now created this new high on this level. Let me just take this off for now. So the price has created this new high, and then it started to retrace, creating lower lows and lower highs. So now this is the second thing you want to look at. Now, how is the retracement phase doing? Is the price retracing? I mean, if it wants to retrace, it is not going to retrace like this all the time. There are some times when it will be a little bit different from what is now happening. In this market condition here, you can see that the price started to move in a channel. You can see that the price started to move in this channel, and you can now, having identified that the price is moving in this channel, the next thing you want to do is you want to wait for a breakout of this channel. And then when you have the breakout, that is when you are going to place your trade. You are not going to wait for anything. You are simply going to hit that buy button immediately. You find the breakout. So you can also see that this is a previous zone that the price has respected in the past. You can see that this is the zone that the price has respected in the past, and we can also look out for this level where we want to stop, when we want to set our stop losses, because if these zones break in the future, it will be a sign that the price will want to continue now to fall down, and we would just exit our trade when we have the price come down to this level. So my stop loss was, like I said earlier, was just my stop loss was just around this level, below this previous resistance. I took my trade at the end of this very candle, as you can see over here, and my stop loss was a little bit below this previous higher low swing, and then my stop loss was all the way up a little bit above this previous high. And you can see that it was a very, very smooth win. So price broke this channel, which is this resistance trend line, and I placed my trade on this candle, and the price went all the way up. It retraced back a little bit, and it just went all the way up, and it hit our take profit level, as you can see over here. So this is a simple strategy that you can apply and be in profit. It is just as simple as it seems. You don't have to overcomplicate trading. Trading is not as complicated as a lot of people talk about it on YouTube and on the internet. It is not just as difficult as it seems. I'm not saying it is easy all the time, but you just have to work on your mindset, and that's pretty much all you are going to need. Looking at this strategy, you can see that the setup is very visible all over the whole chart. It's just your ability to be able to identify these setups. They are everywhere. The first thing you just need to do is to identify the trend, and then identify the retracement phases, then draw your trend lines, or try to know the channel, how the price is moving at that time, and then just draw your lines correctly and wait for the simple breakout. And then make sure you set your stop loss and you take profit levels very, very smartly. A 1 to 2 risk to reward is perfect. It's very okay. If you use this strategy and you are using a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, and you win 5 trades and you lose 5 trades, you are still going to be in profit. Even if you lose 6 trades and you win 4 trades, you are still going to be in profit. So you don't have to focus on winning all your trades. You just have to focus on winning as many trades as you can possibly win. And at the end of the day, you are going to find yourself in profit. I trade like this on the binary options market. I trade like this on the forex market, but I still lose trade. But the key is just to stay afloat. It's just to make sure you are still in profit, no matter how the price is or how the market is doing. The market is not going to continue to do the same thing all the time. There are some times when it will act some funny ways and all of that, but it doesn't matter. So long as you stick to your strategy, you have the right trading psychology, and you have the right trading system, you are going to stay afloat and you are going to stay in profit. So this is everything about the strategy, and I hope you learned something and you can apply the same when you decide to trade. I can go on and on to show you how the strategy has played out in the past, but we will do this some other time. Each time I have a trading opportunity and I've placed a trade or whatever it is, I'm going to come on here to explain to you, so that you can know how these things work, and you can also practice the same thing when you are trading or when you are practicing the demo account, and come over here the live section to actually try all of this. So this strategy works almost 75 to 80% of the time, and if you are going to win 75% of your trades, you are still going to be in profit, and I can assure you that. So develop the strategy, have the right trading system, develop the right trading psychology, and I can see you on the other side of success. So this will be the end of this video, and I'll see you again next time. If you have any questions, do it to drop them on the comment section. I'm very good at replying to comments on the comment section. If you're here for the first time and you find any value in this video, don't forget to hit the like button so this video can reach out to more people like you who may be interested in content like this. If you're here for the first time and you're here to subscribe, you have been missing out. I have a lot of live trading videos on YouTube, on this YouTube channel. We have traded live on the binary options, of course, and you can go about and just check all these videos, and so you can learn something. You can tell your friends and just apply the same if you want to trade as well. So if you are a forex trader, today is the first time I'm uploading a forex content on this channel. I will be continuing I'll be doing this over time. So stick to this video, this channel, so you don't miss out. So do it to subscribe. And on this note, I'm going to end this video here, and I'll see you again next time. But then, keep trading, keep working hard, and have a good day.